Danny LeBeau. Welcome back to the Fourth Revolution, where we discuss stocks for your portfolio of the future. Today we talk about Alight. This is a cloud-based provider, a leading cloud-based provider of integrated digital human capital and business solutions. The company recently went public through a SPAC, the untraditional IPO that really took off in 2020 and continued into 2021. And the company has seen a lot of volatility since it first started trading on the exchanges under the ticker ALIT. But we are finally taking off as analysts start to cover this stock today. In their earnings reports, their first earnings report as a public company, their Q2 earnings came out, and they were above expectations, even though there were very few expectations. But the management rose its guidance for the full year and showed that this company is here to stay. It's got massive growth with its cloud-based optionality, and it's going to be a huge AI-driven human capital company for the future. And they're actually in talks with Voya Financial, ostensibly, to be acquired by them. And this company, like I said, is enormously undervalued, trading at less than 2 times price to sales, which is way below the market average for this type of company. And this growth potential is going to accelerate as its cloud business does, seeing 287% increase in its cloud bookings. It's taking off. Cloud only makes up about 14% of their portfolio of revenue, and it's going to make up an increasing amount as it does grow at this prolific rate. So let's take a look at the charts, see where it's trading, and see where it's going. This is Alight, ticker ALIT on TradingView.com, and this is ever since the SPAC WPF changed its ticker to ALIT. So we can't see the whole history of the SPAC, so we're just seeing the post-merger price action here. And you can see we've had a lot of volatility since it first started trading, because this stock is pretty much has zero coverage. Because, like I said, it went public through a SPAC, so it doesn't have the traditional S1, the financial statements of prior years that regular companies have. So initiation of coverage isn't starting until today, which was their Q2 earnings report. So I expect to see a lot of initiation of coverage from analysts across the board. And I'm looking for price targets close to $20 a share. Like I said, this company is trading at less than 2 times price to sales, looks more attractive than ever after this tremendous earnings report. And you can see, compared to ADP and Paychex, it's well below what they're trading at as far as forward price to sales go. You can see Paychex is trading at 9.5 times, and ADP is trading at over 5.5 times. And that, like I said, more than double the forward price of sales that Alight is looking at. So since the company announced that they would be releasing their Q2 earnings this morning, it's taken off. This was end of July. We're up over 20% since then. And I think we are headed way higher as, like I said, analysts start to cover it and get real bullish on this human capital cloud business of the future. Alight's trading up nearly 5% in this post-earnings price action we're seeing this morning. We are headed way higher. I'm looking at price targets around $20 a share. We're trading under 11 right now. And once analysts start initiating coverage, which I expect over the next week or so, we're going to start getting real bullish on Alight. And this company's AI-driven, cloud-based solutions for human capital are just unmatched in this current environment. And what with them trading at less than 2 times price to sales, I mean, there's a reason that Voya Financial is exploring the option of buying Alight at these discounted prices. It's the same reason we would be, just so heavily discounted. So take a look. I wouldn't hesitate to add this to my portfolio. I'm probably going to add more today, as this stock looks more attractive than ever at these prices and after this tremendous Q2 earnings report that we had. So don't forget to check out Zacks.com/promo where you can get our latest promotion, and look forward to seeing you guys next time.